number 1, 828 divided by 9. So we have to divide. First inside we will write 828 divided by 9. So first of all we will take the 2 digit because the first digit is 8. It is smaller than 9. So we will take 2 digit 82. In 9 table when 82 will come, it will not come. So we will take smaller number. 9 9s are 81. So here we have to subtract. So 2 minus 1 we will get 1. 8 minus 8 we will get 0. And this 8 will carry down. So it will become 18. In 9 table when 18 will come, 9 2s are 18. So we have to subtract. 18 minus 18 we will get 0. So here we have to write quotient equal to 92 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 2, 957 divided by 3. So here see the first digit is 9. So 9 is greater than 3. So in 3 table when 9 will come, 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 we will get 0. Now we will carry down this 5. So 5 is greater than 3. In 3 table 5 will come? No. So we will take 3 1s are 3. Because 3 2s are 6. 6 is greater than 5. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 3 1s are 3. So 5 minus 3 we will get 2. Now which number is left? 7. So it will come down. It will become 27. In 3 table when 27 will come? Yes, 3 9s are 27. Now we have to subtract. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So here quotient equal to 319. Quotient equal to 319 and remainder equal to 0. Okay. Now number 3. 2584 divided by 8. 84 divided by 8. So first we will see the first digit 2. 2 is smaller than 8. It can't able to divide. So we will take the 2 digit 25. In 8 table when 25 will come, it will not come. So we will take 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. 32 is greater than 25. So we will take 8 3s are 24. Now here we have to subtract. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 1 is a smaller number. So that we will carry down 8. So it will become 18. Now in 8 table when 18 will come, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the greater number. So we will take 8 2s are 16. Now we have to subtract. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 2 is a smaller number. So we will carry down this 4. So it will become 24. In 8 table when 24 will come? Yes, 8 3s are 24. Now we have to subtract. 24 minus 24, 0. So here quotient equal to 323. So we have to write down quotient equal to 323 and remainder equal to 0. Now number 4. 43,279 divided by 3. 43,279 divided by 3. So first of all we will take a 1 digit. So see first digit is 4. 4 is greater than 3. So we can divide. So in 3 table 4 will come? No. So we will take 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 we will get 1. Now this 3 will be carried down. It will become 13. In 3 table 13 will come? No. So we will take a smaller number. 3 4s are 12. Now we have to subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So now we have to carry down these 2. It will become 12. In 3 table when 12 will come? Yes. 3 4s are 12. Now 12 minus 12 we will get 0. Now which number is left? 7. So we have to see in 3 table 7 will come? No. So we will take 3 2s are 6, smaller number, because then 3 3s are 9. 9 is a greater number compared to 7. So we will take 3 2s are 6. Now 7 minus 6 we will get 1. Now which number is left? 9. So it will become 19. In 3 table when 19 will come? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. 21 is greater than 19. So we will take 3 6s are 18. Now 19 minus 18, 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now here we will stop our division. Now our quotient equal to what there? 14,426. So we will write here quotient equal to 14,426 and remainder equal to 1. Now number 5. 475 divided by 14. So here first digit is 4, so it is smaller number, so we will take 2 digit 47. Now in 14 table when 47 will come? It will not come, so we will take 14 3s are 42. So we have to subtract 7 minus 2, 5, and 4 minus 4, 0. Now 5 is a smaller number, so we will carry down this 5 also, so it will become 55. So now 14 4s are 56. So we will take again 14 3s are 42. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So here our quotient equal to 33 and remainder equal to 13. Now number 6. 3,265 divided by 12. So here we have to take 2 digit 32. In 12 table when 32 will come? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So we will take 12 2s are 24, smaller number. Now we have to subtract. 2 minus 4 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 4, 8, and 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to carry down this 6. It will become 86. In now 12 table 86 will come? No. So we have to take 12 7s are 84, smaller number. Now 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. And this 5 will come down. It will become 25. In 12 table when 25 will come? It will not come. So we will take 12 2s are 24. Now 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 272. So in quotient we will write 272 and remainder equal to 1. Now number 7. 9,563 divided by 58. So here which table is there? 58. Okay. So first 2 digit is 95. In 58 table 95 will come, that we have to see. 58 1s are 58, that we are knowing. Then 58 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 116. But 116 is greater than 95, so we will take 58 1s are 58. Now we have to subtract. 5 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 9. So this 9 will become 8 and this 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 8 we will get 7 and 8 minus 5 we will get 3. Now 37 is smaller than 58. So we have to carry down the other digit 6. So it will become 376. Now in 58 table when 376 will come, that we have to find. So we will multiply and see. 58 5s are 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 58 6s are 6 8s are 48. 4 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So we got 348. One more we will see. 58 7s are how much? 7 8 56. 5 we will write up. 7 5 35. 35 plus 5 40. It is becoming 406. That is greater than 376. So we will take 58 6 348. Okay. So here we will write 6 348. So 6 minus 8 we will get. We will not subtract. So we have to borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 8 we will get 8. 6 minus 4 we will get 2. 3 minus 3 we will get 0. Now which number is left there? 3. That we will carry down. It will become 283. Now see 283. 58 5 how much we got? 290. So it is greater number. So we have to multiply now. 58 4 58 4 4 8 32. So 3 will be carried down. 4 5 30. 30 plus 3 33. So 4 5 20. 20 plus 3 23. Okay. It will become 232. That is smaller than 283. So we will take 58 4 232. Now we have to subtract. 3 minus 2 1. 8 minus 3 5. 2 minus 2 0. Now 51 is smaller than 58 and here also no digit. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to, what is our quotient? 164. So we will write here quotient equal to 164 and remainder equal to 51. Okay. Now number 8. 869 divided by 46. So here also we will take the 2 digit 86. So in 46 table is there. So 46 1 46. 46 2 we will multiply and see. 2 6 12. Then 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 92. 92 is greater than 86. So we will take 46 1 46. Now 6 minus 6 0. 8 minus 4 40. Now 8 minus 4 4. So it will become 40. So 40 is smaller than 46. We can't able to divide. So we will carry down this 9. It will become 409. Now we have to see in 46 table when 409 will come. So for that we will multiply and see. 46 7 7 6 42. 7 4 28. 28 plus 4 32. Okay. Now we will see 46 7 so 46 8 8 6 48. So 8 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 8 4 32. 32 plus 4 36. 368. Now one more we will see. 46 9 9 6 54. 9 4 36. 36 plus 5 37 38 39 40 41. 414. But 414 is greater than 409. So we will take 46 8 368. So we will write here 368. Now 9 minus 8 we will get 1. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 4. 3 minus 3 0. Now 41 is smaller than 46. So we will stop our division here. So our quotient equal to, what is our quotient? 18 and remainder equal to 41. Okay children, this way we have to do division. After completing your sums, you have to rough your rough work. Okay. Now question 1b, multiply. Next question is multiply. In that number 1 264 multiply by 132. So we will start multiplying here by first 2. So 2 4 8, 2 6 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Then 2 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now we will multiply by 3. Before that we will write in first place 0. Okay. then 3 4s are 12, so 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Then 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19, so 9 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. Whenever 3 digits are there, that time we have to write in first. When we are multiplying by second digit, then first 0, then we are multiplying by third digit, then we have at a time we will write 2 zeros. Now 1 4s are 4, then 1 6s are 6, then 1 2s are 2. Here what we have to do? We have to add. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0 8, then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 0 4. Now 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 4 18, so 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14, so 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 2 3, so our answer is 34,848. Now number 2, 128 multiplied by 46. Here how many digits are there? Only 2 digits. So in second step we will add only 1 0. First we will multiply by 6. Now 6 8s are 48. So 8 we will write down, 4 will be carried over. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 16. So 6 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write only 1 0. So 4 8s are 32. So 2 will be write down and 3 will be carried over. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 9 10 11. So 1 we will write down and another 1 will be carried over. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So here we have to add 8 plus 0 8. 6 plus 2 8. 7 plus 1 8, and this 5 will come down. So our answer is 5,888. Okay. Now number 3, 254 multiplied by 532. So first we will start from 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now we will multiply by 3. Before that we will write here 1 0. So 3 4s are 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we will multiply by 5. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. 5 4s are 20. So 0 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 27. So 7 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Now here we have to add. Now 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 0 2. Now 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 0 11. So 1 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 7 15. So 5 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2 3, and this 1 will come down. So our answer is 1,35,128. Now number 4, 497 multiplied by 124. So we will start from 4. So 4 7s are 28. So 8 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. So 8 we will write down and 3 will be carried over. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write here 1 0. Now 2 7s are 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 9 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write 2 zeros. So 1 7s are 7. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. Now we have to add. 8 plus 0 plus 0 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 0 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. So 6 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Then 2 plus 4, 6. So our answer is 61,628. Now number 5. 523 multiplied by 432. So we will now start from 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then we will start from 3. Before that we will write 0. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now we have to multiply by 4. Before that write 2 zeros. 4 3s are 12. 1 will be carried down. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then 4 5s are 20. Now addition. 6 plus 0 plus 0 6. 4 plus 9 13. So 3 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. Now 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 9 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 2. And this 2 will come down. So our answer is 2,25,936. Now number 6. 280 multiplied by 215. So we will multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2. Sorry, 5 8s are 40. So 0 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 2 zeros. 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So now we have to add. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 0 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 5 6. So our answer is 60,200. Now number 7. 342 multiplied by 190. So first we will start from 0. So 0 2s are 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 3s are 0. Now we will multiply by 9. Before that we will write 1 0. 9 2s are 18. So 8 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1 37. So 7 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. Then 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3 27 plus 3 30. Now we will multiply by 1. So before that we will write 2 zeros. So 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add 0. 0 plus 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 7 plus 2 9. 0 plus 4 4. 3 plus 3 6. So our answer is 64,980. Now number 8. 178 multiplied by 224. So we will start from 4. 4 8s are 32. So 2 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 29 30 31. So 1 we will write down. 3 will be carried over. So 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 1 0. 2 8s are 16. 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now we will multiply by 2. So before that we will write 2 zeros. 2 8s are 16. 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. So now we have to add. 2 plus 0 plus 0 2. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 6 18. So 8 we will write down. and 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, and this 3 will come down. So our answer is 39,872.